Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Vizio Smart TV. While Vizio TVs do not have a native Fortnite app, there are several effective ways to enjoy the game. You will typically need an external device to bridge this gap. We will explore options like cloud gaming services, connecting a dedicated gaming console, or using a personal computer. A stable and fast internet connection is absolutely crucial for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience, regardless of your chosen method. Cloud gaming offers a fantastic way to play Fortnite without a console. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now stream the game directly to your Vizio Smart TV. You will need a compatible game controller, often connected via Bluetooth or USB. For optimal performance, a robust internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second is highly recommended. This method allows you to bypass the need for expensive hardware, making it a very accessible option for many players. Connecting a gaming console is a straightforward and popular method. Simply plug your PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo switch into an available HDMI port on your Vizio TV. Use a high-quality HDMI cable for the best visual and audio experience. After connecting, select the correct HDMI input on your television using your remote. Ensure your console's software is fully updated to access all game features and maintain optimal performance during gameplay. Another excellent approach involves connecting a gaming personal computer or laptop directly to your Vizio Smart TV using an HDMI cable. Alternatively, you can utilize a streaming device such as an Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. These devices can host cloud gaming applications, allowing you to stream Fortnite. Just install the necessary app, connect your controller, and you are ready to play. Always check that your chosen device meets the minimum system requirements for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.